big yes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Raptor Page Official is here again for another reaction video and commenting. So for today, we're gonna react to a brand new episode 8 of Thai BL series entitled Enchanty. Together with the two Thai lead actors, we have Bo Kasidet and First Gerard Chapong. This is produced by GMM TV through I1TFC. Or you can visit the original content, the link is on the description box below. Okay, so I am very excited to watch this episode 8. Let's find out, sabay-sabay na natin panoorin kung ano yung ating mapapanood for this episode. Especially for the 6 lead characters, we have Teo, Ak, Popa, Nati, Wayo, and of course, Saifa. And later, I will give my final comment for the fresh episode 8 of Enchanty the series. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and of course, like and share. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so there we go, the fresh episode 8 of Enchanty the series, and we have Wayo, Ak, and of course, Teo. Oh my, this is the big trouble between Teo and of course, Wayo. Hmm? Okay. Oh. Oh my god. Ooh. Huh? Oh, okay, okay. Uh, oh. So, I am very excited dun sa eksena kung sino yung unang aamin sa kanilang feelings. Either Tio or A. Di ba? So, alam naman natin guys on the previous episode of this series na both silang dalawa is of course meron ng nararamdaman sa isa't isa. So, the big question is, sino ang unang aamin ng kanilang feelings sa isa't isa? Di ba? Saifa. I think yung voice message na pinadala ni Saifa, I think yun yung kanta na kinonpost niya kay Tio. Yeah. Jealous. Di ba imagine yung tatlo, ba kasi apat sila, we have Popa, Nati, Wayo, and of course Saipa. So imagine yung tatlo, malaking problema kasi nangangailangan sila. We have Pupa, and then next is Nate, and then now Wayo. So I hope itong si Saipa ay hindi gagaya sa kanilang tatlo, di ba? Kasi nakaka-disappoint naman. I love Saifa, you know, di ba? Since Not Me the series. Oh, oh my, oh, oh my God. Oh God. Ay. May nagsha-shooting pala. You kiss me. Wait. Oh. How about lips? Oh my. Oh my God. Oh. Obvious na, di ba? Obvious na yung ginagawa nilang dalawa. We have Theo and Hap. Grabe. Oh my. Oh my God, Teo. Obvious na. So, hindi ko pa alam kung hindi na yung magigets ni, ni Teo na may feelings na itong si Ak sa kanya. Di ba? Super obvious. Oh, Saifa. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. He's worried. Ah, see? Kanta nga yun, yung kinong-post niya kay Ateo. I think hindi pa napakinggan ni, ni Teo, yung sinend ni Saifa. Yeah, I think, hindi pa. Huh? I want to spend time with you. Oh, I get excited. Huh? Jealous? At least si Saifa, hindi niya sinabi na siya si Enchante. Diba? Ang ginawa lang ni Saifa is of course nagpahayag ng kanyang nararamdaman kay Tio. So never niyang inamin na siya si Enchante. At hindi naman talaga si Saifa ang Enchante. Kasi ang Enchante, ang totoong Enchante ay si Ak. Na until now, hindi pa umaamin. Oh. Oh my God, thrilling. Ay, oh, he's crying. Oh my. OMG. Bakit naman kasi niya, hindi niya na ginawa yun, di ba? Hindi niya hinilagyan si Pio. Di ba? Pumikit na nga eh. So it means, halik na lang ang kulang doon. Pero hindi ginawa ni Kwai. OMG. Oh. Oh, nappy. Kaya galit na galit si ano eh, di ba? Nagalit si Pio because hindi niya ginawa, di ba? So sana ginalikan na lang ni ano, ni Ak. Ay, high stress. Open it. Pumunta siya kay ano, kay Saifa. Mhm. Anong ibig sabihin yun? Di ba nag-ano siya? Nagsalita siya kanina ng French words. Oh my God, walang signal. Oh, kaka-stress, walang signal. Nahina yung signal namin. Oh. Tapos ayun yung Shanti, oh. There we go, namin na ni Ak. Oh my God, so ibig sabihin, matagal na pala alam ni Nate kung sino si Enchanti pero never siyang nagsalita. At nakita niya kung sino talaga ang totoong Enchanti. Walang iba kundi si Ak. At drinowing pa niya, in fairness ha.
อยากเป็นนักร้องใช่ปะคุณชอบร้องเพลงอยากเป็นนักร้องคนแปลกเนาะผมอะทำให้พี่เป็นได้นะโอ้ยก็จริงๆอะพี่อะมีความสามารถแต่แค่ขาดโอกาสผมอะเป็นโอกาสให้พี่ได้นะน้องพูดจริงนะแต่ต้องมีข้อแรกเนี่ย
Deal?
พี่อะต้องมาเป็นน้องชมเต้ขอโทษด้วยอะขอโทษที่หลอกมาตลอด
Okay. So, I'm mistaken pala. So, mali yung pagkakaintindi ko. So, ibig sabihin, walang totoong enchante because ang totoong enchante ay mismo si Tio. Siya mismo ang gumagawa ng ganon. So, nakipagsabuatan siya kina Pupa na Tiwayo and of course kay Saipa para magiging enchante or parang aminin nila na sila si enchante, ganon. At ginawa yun ni Tio because gusto niyang magpapansin kay Tia, I think. Yon. So again, walang enchante kasi gawa-gawa lang ang enchante. Pero may enchanting books, di ba? So, yung ganon. So, yung sumulat doon, di ba si Tio ang sumulat doon sa enchanting na libro, siya lang din ang nag-response para kunwari sabihin na may sumulat at para sabihin o ipapalabas niya na gusto niyang makita or gusto niyang malaman kung sino yung sumulat doon or nag-response doon sa sinulat niya doon sa enchanting na libro. Pero siya lang pala din. Ay, kaloka. May pa ganun. Kasi gusto niya magpapansin kay kay Oh! 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 So, ibig sabihin, mas na-inlove una itong si Tio kaysa kay Yeah. Oh my God. Finally, di ba? This is it. Oh. I never stop liking you. Oh. Sorry, I kept you waiting. Kiss. Oh. Oh. Kiss you as you're enchanted. Oh. Sure. Do it. Come on. Can you do it, please? Can you do it? Kiss. Oh my God! Oh! Ahoy! I am very happy. Not once, but twice. What? What? Yes. Yes. It's a big yes. So ayun nga guys na napanood natin ang fresh episode 8 ng Enchanted the series. This is produced by GMM TV through I1 TFC Philippines. And now magbigay tayo ng konting komento ukol sa ating napanood for this episode. OMG! Malaking pasabog ito guys in fairness ha. And this is the best episode for me ha. This is the best episode of Enchanted the series. And then the second one is yung kanilang first kissing scene ni Tio and of course ni Ak. Why? Because ito yung pinaka-favorite ko guys na episode. Kasi diba, yun, nakita naman natin na it's official na. First, it's official na mag-boyfriend na itong si Tio and of course si Ak. And then, nalaman din natin yung katotohanan sa likod ng Enchante. Yung paghahanap ni Tio sa totoong Enchante. Yun pala ay gawa-gawa lang. Okay? Kasi gusto ni Tio na magpapansin kay Ak. Okay? So yun, gawa-gawa lang niya at nakipagsabuatan siya dun sa apat kina Pupa, Nati, Wayo, and of course kay Saifa. Kasi yung last natin napanood, di ba, yung kay Saifa, yung nandun sila sa CR na nagsuka nga itong si Tio. At of course may binanggit nga deal, which is nga yun yung sinabi ni Tio na magkukunwari na siya ay magiging enchante niya. So, yun. So, nalaman natin, guys. So, yun. Gawa-gawa lang pala yun ang lahat. Nakakaloka, in fairness, no? Talagang tayo din, naguhula tayo kung sino talaga ang totoong enchante. Kasi, di ba, doon sa una, is ang unang umamin ay si Pupa, at sumunod si Nate, then after si, Wayo, and then, ang hinala natin is maybe si Ak, or maybe si Saifa, pero wala sa kanilang 5. Diba? Kundi yung gawa-gawa lang pala ito ni Pio. Pero at least, diba, at the end pa rin na, diba, mag-boyfriend or mag-jowa na itong si Pio and of course si Ak. So, I am very happy na, of course, umamin na rin ito sa kanilang kanya-kanyang feelings. And, of course, kanina pala, nasabi ko sa inyo kung sino yung unang na-inlove. So, ibig sabihin, ang unang na-inlove sa kanilang dalawa ay si Tio, maybe Tio, or maybe, ano lang tawag nito, the same lang yung kanilang nararamdaman, di ba? Di ba? Neutral yung nararamdaman nila. Pero feeling ko si Tio yung unang na in love kay Ak, di ba? So, yun. So, tingnan natin sa mga susunod na episode, guys, which is the episode 9, kung ano pa yung mga pasabog na mapapanood natin dito sa Enchanted the series. But so far, ito lang muna yung ating reaction video for the fresh episode 8 ng Enchanted the series. And I hope na nagustuhan nyo to. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Click nyo na rin pang notification bell para updated kayo always sa mga susunod kong gagawin reaction video dito sa ating YouTube channel. God bless everyone, keep safe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!